This is to show you how to actually download your own GGUF model, so be it LLama3 or be it Mistral or be it Qwen, and how to actually set it up in Bohemicus. So first of all, open the Bohemicus up and then go to this language and settings and then to MT/AR engines. And let's work with LLama3. So it's very simple. You just click this folder icon, which will open your target folder for your model, and simply move or copy your model into this folder. So let's move it from my downloaded destination to Bohemicus destination. And that's it. That's all. That's how you use your own model. And now you can click this configure button. And as you can see, it's already here, so you just click save, and you can now start using Bohemicus to translate your files using the LLama3 model. And now I'm going to show you where to actually get these models. So that's also very simple. And first of all, I would recommend you just ask AI which engine or which model you should actually use. So what I did here, I just said, hey, I have 12 gigabytes of video RAM and some 32 gigabytes of RAM. So which Llama model should I use if I want to use it to translate text as accurately as possible? And as you can see, Gemini just gave me some answers. And you can just read through it, you can scroll through it. And then I asked it to just give me the exact name of the LLM model to download from Hugging Face. Hugging Face is an important name which you should remember. Hugging Face is a site where all of this artificial intelligence stuff is actually located. And so, as you can see, it actually gave me some names. And as you can see, it's always a name that ends with this GGUF file extension. That is very important. It must have this GGUF file extension. Now what you can do, you just copy the name. So let's copy this one, and you simply Google it up. So you would go to Google, and you would, for instance, ask Hugging Face and the name of your model. And Google will give you some answers. So we already have some answers here. So some items, some hits. So let's just click the first one, and it will take you to Hugging Face. So just click this files item here, and just look for the GGUF file, which is here, is the last one. And now to download it, simply click this download icon here, and it will just start downloading. So now you have to wait because the model has something like 5 gigabytes, so it will take some time depending on your internet connection. But once it's downloaded in your downloaded folder, you can just move it to your Bohemicus folder the way I showed you right in the beginning. So in Bohemicus, you click this folder icon again, and you just move it from your downloaded folder into this target folder. And this is it. This is how you actually use your own model with Bohemicus. Just a little bit of warning. As you can see, there are actually 3 models supported. You have LLama3, Mistral, and Qwen. So all of them, they have this GGUF file extension. But please do not mix them up, because if you try to use, for instance, a Mistral model with Llama, it will not crash, but it will give you totally nonsensical results. So if you want to use Llama, then just download Llama models. Same with Mistral or with Qwen. And that's it. So thank you for watching, and see you in another video.